This is a 02 1500 Dodge Ram. We doing the rear. The rear. What's the name of these things are called, man? The rear bearings. This is the rear bearings we doing. They don't look too bad, but we did the front, so we're gonna go ahead and do the back. As you can see, I already got everything assembled. What you do is you take the tires off. I'm just gonna break it down real fast. You take the tires off, you take the caliper off, and then you go to the rear diff. And you knock the plate off the rear diff. You get something to catch your oil. It's 12 volts. You put your truck in neutral, and you spin your drive shaft, and you turn your drive shaft until you get to this little spot right here. I'm gonna show y'all real fast. Until you get to this spot right here. Here you're gonna see a little screws for 5/16 real small. You take that out, and then there's a pin that goes in here. You're gonna knock that big pin out, and once you get that big pin out, your axle, you're gonna have to push it in. You push your axle in, and it's gonna release a clamp. I'm gonna show you on the other side. I already took one out, but I'll show y'all on the other side. Okay, this is the other side. All right, give you a better view. Okay, now you see, I'm gonna use my foot trick I learned, and you push the axle in. Did you see that clip fall out? That's the C-clamp right there. You take that out, boom, your axle slides right on out after that. Now with the C-clamp out, all you do is grab and pull your axle right on out, slides right on out, no problem. And then you're ready to get to your bearings and your seal. We got new seals, but we're gonna see if we can save these so we can save some money, but I doubt if we can, so we're probably gonna end up just ripping them out. You can see the bearings just look like they're fine, but they've been in here since the truck, since 02, so we're gonna change them just to change them anyway, since we did the front bearings. The front bearings wasn't that hard, it's simple, also the same thing. Okay, we remove the seal with the seal puller. Now we're gonna use the slide hammer to remove the bearing. I used the seal remover to take this out. I think it was a good thing because we're trying to find some right now. We might not be able to find none, so we might have to clean these up as much as we can and put them back. But this is the tool right here, seal remover. You just put it in, find a not too hard spot, and tap down on it, pulls it right out. What you do with the slide hammer and the bearing puller, you find the one that sits right behind there. It's simple. Put it on, and then we just give it a few bangs. That's it. Bearing comes out, one whole piece, and we're gonna swap those. Brother just stopped by, got a quick oil change while I was doing this job. Now you know how much this dealer is gonna charge you to do an oil change for this? Come to see me, I got it for cheap, $15, oil and filter. Your oil and filter, $15 oil change.